What's going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Don't forget to give me a like in this video. You guys have been fantastic on my channel, very close to 4,000. And I'm here to discuss this business development company, Main Street Capital. What an interesting stock. And business development companies are not doing too well right now, especially with the bug that hit. But Main Street Capital is a special stock. One of them, which I will kind of reveal with its stock history since inception, it has done pretty well against the S&P, which I'll reveal. And its dividend history is phenomenal. And I'll show you financially how it's been doing. That's the other thing that is really unique about this stock. I mean, you think of Prospect Capital not doing too well. Think of, some of these other Ares Capital, some of these other ones just aren't doing too well. But this one is kind of a special stock. And I'm going to show you right now why it's a really good stock and why I have it in my dividend portfolio. So since inception, Main Street Capital has not done well against the S&P, but if you look at the past 5 years, it's been in line or it has beaten the S&P in a certain time period in the past 5 years. Sometimes certain stocks don't do too well in the beginning, but then afterwards they're very powerful, and they are down. And financially, I'll show you some things that are very helpful with understanding why I bought the stock. Now, if you look at it financially, it doesn't look too hot right now. Business development company. First quarter, it's been down, but look at 2019, third quarter and fourth quarter, it's been up, the net income. And, eventually this bug is going to go away. Eventually it's going to get back to normal. But knock on wood, let's wait for this vaccine. But the dividend yield at 8.9% is what makes this a exciting company. And again, it's a business development company. And we're going to jump to their site real quick. So since the 90s, they worked with private equity alternative with other 200 middle market companies in a diverse range of industries, including consumer discretionary, energy, financials, healthcare industries, materials, technology, telecommunications, and transportation. We partner with strong management teams who have a history of solid performance, entrenched history, knowledge, and competitive advantage to the market. So let's look at their investment structures. Okay, senior secured debt, preferred equity, common equity. Okay, so family estate planning, recapitalizations, refinancing. So now you kind of understand what they're about as a business development company, but there's one more thing that makes these guys really good, and that's its dividend history, which we're going to look at real quick. So let's just start with 2013. It was 16 cents. It distributed a monthly dividend. 2014, 17 cents. 2015, 17. 2015, 18, 18. Going up to 19. Going up to 20. It's basically at 20 cents a share with a $2.46 annual dividend. So there's a reason why I bought these guys. One, it's kind of weird. It's like these guys, I just made a Roth IRA, and these guys are going to grow. I mean, this is not a bad Roth IRA stock, to put in, because it'll accumulate over time and probably it'll grow and it'll distribute a dividend with a compound interest. And it's a really good dividend stock. I mean, this is what makes it kind of like a rare unicorn. Like, it's a business development company. Usually business development companies are not very good against the S&P. or at least not in the line of the S&P. It's not really a dividend trap. I mean, the revenue has gone up. This isn't like Prospect Capital, which is kind of like a dumpster fire right now. This is a pretty good stock for a monthly dividend stock. And I'm going to show you how many shares I own real quick. I just posted a video about this earlier, but I'm going to show you how many shares I own, how much income I earn from Main Street Capital. So I'm going to jump to E-Trade real quick. So my estimated income just on E-Trade is $1,133.63 with dividends. And Main Street Capital is giving me $11.45. So I'm almost buying, okay? If you look at it, I'm almost buying more shares, okay, a piece. It's almost like with the price per share, in 3 months, I can buy like one of Main Street Capital, which is pretty nice because it's down. So I'm going to leave it alone, let the compound interest kick in. Hopefully I'll be at, gosh, if I had 100 shares right now with these guys, I'd be doing some serious damage. So that's what's nice about these guys. And with Main Street Capital, I mean, they're going to get me some money. I mean, they're going to generate some cash for me. And that's what's nice. The dividend is strong. The income is strong. And that's going to help me get to my goal of making $1,000 to $3,000 on monthly dividends. So this is a very good stock for you. I'm tempted to even add it to my M1 Finance dividend portfolio just because it's down and it's a nice business development company, which I just added gain. So I haven't ruled out adding this also on my M1 Finance dividend portfolio, because I do think my goal is to get to $100,000 with my dividend portfolio with M1 Finance. And these guys will generate me some nice passive income as well. So thank you for watching this video. If you guys are new, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. That's my second video today. Make sure you just check out my previous video I made a few hours ago on my changes to my E-Trade dividend portfolio, my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. And again, you guys have a great weekend. Be safe and enjoy your Halloween.